Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Teague with Fred Anderson Toyota in Raleigh, North Carolina. Today we're talking accessories. Accessories are important because they help customers and new owners protect their vehicle, add performance to their vehicle, add convenience, add style and looks. This RAV4 right here, a 2021 RAV4 XLE in magnetic gray, we've added a lot. I want you to tell me what you think. First thing we'll do is do a walk around so that you can see some of the hidden options and some of the more blatant, pronounced, standoutish options. I'm sure you see a crossbars up top, maybe something along the sides. You know, the RAV4 is the best-selling SUV in the country, and it has been for 4 straight years. You've got the gasoline version, you've got the hybrid, and you've got RAV4 Prime. The first things I'd like to point out that we added to this vehicle, body side moldings and mud guards. Let's point out the mud guards first. They look good, they look classy, and they look sporty, and they protect the car. Imagine the rock and tar and mud and dirt and grit that come off those wheels, and they could scrape all the way along the bottom of your car's paint. This protects it. It looks great, and it protects your vehicle, more importantly. I recommend these for every vehicle if you like them. The body side moldings, imagine you're at a grocery store or a parking structure or a university or just where you work. Somebody opens up the car door, scrapes the paint. Wouldn't you rather that they touch up against this body side molding strip? It's color keyed. It looks like it should be that way. Let's go in and look at crossbars now. Of course, it already has the roof rails, but the crossbars, that way you can add luggage, coolers, gear, camping equipment, kayaks, anything you can imagine up top. This is the for everyone accessory. For outdoor enthusiasts, for anyone who wants to have fun in the outdoors or just road trips, you may want to choose this. Now let's take a look at the black emblem overlays. You know, these are normally chrome, so now we've blackened them out. Gives it sort of an edge to it, doesn't it? It looks fantastic with the dark. It also looks great with a lighter color like super white or silver. This is one of the questions we get all the time. People are excited. They want to know, how can I upgrade my traditional fog lights for LED fog lights? And well, we can add it right here at Fred Anderson Toyota in the Southeast region. We got you covered. It comes with standard LED headlights and LED daytime running lights. Now you can get the matching look. Of course, they project wider and farther and taller, plus they look fantastic, and it sets the whole front of the grille off. Oh yes sir, I recommend LED fog lights. Let's go inside, and then we're gonna notice that we've upgraded the fabric factory stock seats for leather, cat skin leather. We've also added these door sill protectors. We did not add them, but look at these all-weather mats. You can add them at the dealership level or maybe your regional level, the regional assembly port. Take a look at this. This is a two-tone leather, and the nice thing about our dealership is we have a full-service leather department where we can upgrade your factory fabric seats for pretty much whatever color leather you'd like. You can make them all gray. You can make them all black, maybe beige or a two-tone. We've even added purple and white seats before. So look at those leather. We're gonna look back here too. I want you to be able to see the back of the seats as well. Look at this one-piece, all-weather carpet mat in the back. All-weather floor mat, I should say. And then we'll look at, this is beautiful work, and we could do this on whatever car you have, even if it's an older model and you've always wanted leather, or a new vehicle that you're about to purchase. You can work it into your car deal, or one that you've purchased recently. If you bought it recently, we can upgrade to leather. We're gonna go inside again, and I'm gonna show you 2 more interior options. One of them I absolutely love. The other one is definitely a necessity for a lot of people. All right, look at this. This is the wireless charging station. It fits right in here in this nice pocket. It's out of the way. Doesn't it look fantastic? And then you can charge your phones, and if you notice, there's a big wide space so you can fit even larger size phones right there. I love it. The next one we're going with, this is the frameless auto-dimming rear view mirror, and it has home link for garage door opener programming right there. I want to show you the interior from the back side so you can kind of place everything all together in one big beautiful piece. Here's our auto dimming rear view mirror, and of course this is the world famous RAV4, best-selling SUV in the country. Yeah, world famous. Look at that charging station, everyone. Look at those leather seats. This is the window sticker. I'm going to show you what's on the car as it hit our dealership, and then I'll show you what we've added. I'm going to list them off for you with some pricing so you can get a baseline. This one here is made in Canada. It's the XLE front wheel drive. Very good safety ratings on RAV4. Look at the fuel mileage, up to 35 on the highway, 30 combined. We're going to look at standard features on an XLE. Of course, it has a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, gives you 203 horsepower, 184 foot-pounds of torque. You can get this in front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, 8 different airbags. Just stop the video if you want to learn more about each individual section. LED headlights and daytime running lights. Guess what? Now we can add fog lights. You know that. And then we've got the 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Amazon Alexa. See, it has fabric seats right there. Not anymore, mister, not anymore. All right, here's the factory MSRP plus a convenience package. It has the power liftgate and power moonroof added to it. We add a delivery charge to get it to the dealerships across the nation. And then we've got paint protection for the hood, all-weather floor mats and all-weather cargo mat, and then an LED interior light package. And then that brings it before options to $30,862. Let's add in some options. Leather seats, $1,499. Auto-dimming rear view mirror with home link, $260. Look, Ma, no wires. $389 for the wireless charging station. Door sill protectors, $199. Body side moldings, $250. Mud guards, again, this is the option I think most people should get. $199 for all 4 installed. Crossbars, $269. Blackout emblems, $199. And these LED fog lamps, $329. Thanks so much for watching. Which one of these accessories would you add to your cars? What other additional options or accessories or features would you add to your car that weren't included in this one? I'm sure there are a lot. There are so many out there. Thanks so much. We really appreciate you guys following along. We want to be an important resource in your research of your cars and learning more about them after you buy them. So please hit like and subscribe and the notification bell for Fred Anderson Toyota YouTube. We appreciate you. Now follow us on Instagram at Fred Anderson Toyota. Also follow us on Facebook at Fred Anderson Toyota. And you can always check our hundreds of cars, trucks, and SUVs at fredandersontoyota.com. You'll love it. We really appreciate you all. Again, thanks so much. See you next time.